tired, bloated, moody, and can't lose weight, no matter how healthy you eat, it might not be your age. It might be your hormones. Balancing your hormones doesn't mean taking pills or doing expensive treatments. There are simple, natural ways to support your body so it ages better, not faster. Today, I'll share easy, realistic tips to naturally balance your hormones and feel better at every age. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or beyond, this video is for you. Let me tell you what I hear all the time. I eat clean, but I still feel off. I'm sleeping, but I wake up tired. I can't lose belly fat no matter what. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Hormonal shifts happen with age, stress, lifestyle, and they can throw your whole body off balance. The good news? Your daily habits can reset things naturally. No magic products needed. Your hormones are like messengers, telling your body when to sleep, eat, burn fat, feel calm, or stressed. But when they're off, everything feels off. Think cortisol, estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, insulin, and thyroid hormones. The solution? Not a quick fix, but consistent habits that support your hormone-producing systems. Let's talk tips. Prioritize sleep like it's medicine. This one's non-negotiable. Poor sleep spikes cortisol, messes with insulin, and reduces your melatonin and growth hormone, which are key for repair and anti-aging. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Turn off screens at least an hour before bed, dim the lights, and try magnesium or chamomile tea to help relax naturally. Sleep isn't lazy. It's hormonal healing time. Eat healthy fats and ditch the sugar. Hormones are literally made from fats. Your body needs healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and omega-3s to create and balance hormones. But sugar? It does the opposite. It causes insulin spikes, inflammation, and estrogen imbalance, which can lead to mood swings, fatigue, and stubborn weight gain. Swap processed snacks for whole foods. Your hormones will thank you. Manage stress, don't let it manage you. Chronic stress keeps cortisol high, and when cortisol is high, everything else gets out of whack. It lowers your thyroid function, disrupts estrogen and progesterone, and stores fat in your belly. Take 10 to 15 minutes a day to de-stress. Try deep breathing, stretching, journaling, prayer, meditation, or simply go for a walk without your phone. Move your body, but don't overdo it. Exercise is great, but too much intense training can actually stress your body out more, especially as you age. Balance cardio with gentle movement like walking, yoga, or strength training. Exercise improves insulin sensitivity, boosts testosterone and growth hormone, and reduces cortisol. Even 20 to 30 minutes a day can reset your hormonal rhythm. Support gut health, it's your second brain. Your gut is where many hormones are processed and detoxed, including estrogen and serotonin. If your gut's unhappy, your hormones will be too. Eat fiber-rich foods, fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, or sauerkraut, and stay hydrated. A healthy gut helps your body balance and eliminate hormones naturally. Start small, stay steady, and your body will respond. Which of these habits do you need to start or get back to? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. We're here to help you age powerfully and naturally.